Hi my charmers and charmettes, it is Charity's Charm and I'm back with another video, but this one's gonna be a tutorial. I already did my eyebrows and like my makeup and a little contour, just a little bit. So I am going to do today a like a smoky brown eye look. I use Morphe foundation, Morphe concealer. For my eyebrows, I just use like a I think it's called like Knick Knack or something like that. Brown brow pencil from the beauty supply store. It's $1. If you are new to my channel, you should subscribe. And if you watch my videos and you don't subscribe, that is weird. Like, Morphe is a really good makeup brand. It really is, I'm not gonna lie. I love all of their stuff. But I'm gonna use this Morphe palette. It's old, it's very old. It's the eyeshadow palette, and it's called Copper Spice 25A. You can still order this on their website. It's been through it. But it has like a lot of neutral colors, a lot of browns, so that's why I'm gonna use this palette. So I'm gonna go in with a blending brush. This one is from Elf. It's a fluffy eye blending brush. I love this brush. And I'm just gonna go in first. I'm just gonna go in with like a basic. I don't know the names of any of these colors because this palette is really old and I don't have the sheet for it, but it's just like a little a light brown. I'm just gonna use that first, and I'm gonna put it all over my eye. Take the light brown color and just blend it all over my eye, primarily under my eyebrow. Then I am going to get this is a Sephora brush, and it's like a blending brush, but it's kind of like a little chunky. So I'm gonna take that brush and I'm going to go in with this. It's like a milk chocolate, but it's a little lighter. It's on the lighter side. Milk chocolate color. I'm gonna put some on here, pop off the excess, and I'm gonna go into the crease and put it all over my eye. So after I use the little milk chocolate color, I'm gonna go back in and with the same brush, and I'm gonna go in with this milk chocolate color, but it's a little darker. This is again like a brown little, you know, smoky eye look. So I'm gonna put some on my brush. Oop. Put some on my brush, knock the excess off, and then boom, let's get it going. Yes. Makeup Revolution London. Okay, it's a cute little chocolate palette. Of course I got this because it's yellow. Of course I did. Of course I did. But I actually like it though. The palette is called Naked Chocolate, but this is what it looks like. It's really cute. Let's go back a little bit. It's really cute though. I'm gonna take this brush. It's a smaller blending brush basically. We're just gonna put it at the end of your lid right here, and you're just gonna put like a good amount. See that? You're gonna really blend it in and work it in. It may not look like much now, but it's gonna come together. I'm gonna go back in with this palette, the one from Morphe, and I'm gonna pick up this lighter color here, like a little, it's like a beige color, of course. I picked that up, knock off the excess, and then I'm gonna fill it in the top. So what have you guys been up to? I know I've been gone, but I definitely would like to know what you guys have been up to. How's life? How are you dealing with this quarantine? I'm still over it. How are you dealing with the quarantine? The debates, did you watch the debates? Definitely want to know how you feel. I'm Miss Kamala, or Kamala, how do you say her name? I say Kamala. But she got Pence together, okay? She got him, she even had to get the moderator together. Excuse me, he went over, he had extra time. I want extra time. Yes, ma'am, I feel you. I want extra time, okay? I'm going back in with this dark chocolate brown color. I don't know the names of these colors either, but they don't have them on there. And then I'm just gonna see that. I'm just gonna go back over it. So I'm just gonna line it. This one I messed up a little bit, but that's a good thing about concealer. If you mess up, you can fix it when it comes to concealer. So now that I've laid the foundation, I'm gonna just go in with that same brush I've been using the dark chocolate on, and kind of go above the line of where the liner is and put like a little more on there. And do it to the other side, of course. I'm gonna go in with this, it's like, ooh, it's like a milk chocolate, where is it, shimmery color. I'm gonna go in with this, it's Firma 204 brush. I'm gonna go in with that brush and put some on, see, and just put some right here, kind of in the middle, but towards the end. And then of course what you do to one side, you do to the other. Now that we have that set up, I'm gonna go in with this lighter brown color. Ooh. Let's see where I get this brush. Oh, this is an e.l.f. brush. It's an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. It's flat. But I'm gonna go in with this shimmery light brown color. And I'm gonna put it at the front. This shimmery gold color, I'm just putting in the spitting. I'm just putting in like the tear ducts right here. Give it a little shabash so it's not like too brown. But this is coming out really cute. Y'all like? I'm gonna use this. I like this brush better. I'm gonna use it and go back in that brown because I really want it to be dark and just blend it out. I'm gonna just go back in and blend it out with this beige color right here. And we almost done. We are almost done. Now all I'm gonna do is clean up the sides. I really need to probably invest in like the tape, the side tape, but I just use a wipe to clean it up. And I really like these, I've run out, but I really like these Shea Moisture, it's raw shea butter hydrating facial wipe. Normally I would need like 3 or 4 makeup wipes to get my makeup off sometimes, and I don't put it on heavy, I really don't. But with this I can use one will really like get it off. But I still use 2 to be on the safe side, and then of course clean my face, exfoliate, all that. So now that that is done, I'm gonna put some concealer on, because I already did my makeup and stuff, but I'm gonna put some concealer on with my Morphe concealer. It's C435, and I'm just gonna do a quick 1, 2. Ooh, have you guys been watching Lovecraft on HBO? You have to have an HBO subscription, of course. But Lovecraft is so good. At first, like the first episode, I was like, baby, this is weird. This is really weird. But it's actually really good. I like stuff, but I like it. It's with Journey Smollett. Who else? I really don't know the other people's names, but the last episode, it creeped me out. I don't even want to say, you know, or give it away or whatever, but it's one thing that keep like ringing in my head or whatever, and I'm not really like a scary person, but oh my god, I be looking like, hold on, wait a minute. And one of the people that played the character, I follow her on Instagram, and she did a really good job. She had me a little scared. I was like, wait a minute. So I'm just blending my concealer out. I was like, wait a minute, this is actually kind of scary. Oh, let me take my hair wrap off. No, this way. I just got blended because I have makeup on, even up here. I just really had my scarf on to lay my edges back down. To be honest, because my hair will curl up so fast because I am natural, and I love it. I've been natural for 8 years now. You don't want no really harsh lines either. So you gotta, you know, play with it, play with your makeup, and get it to the desired look that you want. And then I'm gonna go in with my Revolution London makeup, and it's the Luxury Baking Powder in Banana. And I'm just gonna go in and put a little bit under my eye. I really try to like go ahead and blend it out and not bake. I just try to go ahead and blend it out, so I don't put that much. Some people like scoop it and put a goop gob. I've been, believe this or not, I've had this, I got this with the, I got these two together. And I've been having these for 2 years. Like, I've been, look how much powder I've used. Like, but there was a phase that I really didn't wear makeup that much. But yeah, I've been having that for 2 years. Like, that goes to show, like, I really like, I would love to be an ambassador for them too as well, because I love their products, and I will shout it to the mountain. But yeah, what other shows am I watching? Oh, Ghost, or Power Book 2 or whatever. I'm watching that, and that's really good. I'm not gonna lie, that's really good. But I do not like Tariq because he killed Ghost. I'm sorry if I'm telling anybody what happened, but he killed him. And I feel like Ghost, he made the show. He really did. And then you can finish it off with liner, but I would do it very, very thin because this is a brown look. I need to invest in more liners. If anybody want to bless my game with more liners, I am not obliged to that at all, because I need some more. And you can just clean it up, put some liner, but I'm gonna take that brown shadow that I use and I'm just gonna put it under my eye. And really give that brown look. Shout out to my browns. Okay. Then you just do your liner, your eyeliner, or no liner, whatever you want to do. Because it's your world, baby girl. Or baby boy. Boop. And then I'm just going to get my highlighter, which is Revolution Makeup. Sponsor me, okay? Sponsor me. I tell everyone about Revolution Makeup. I'm gonna just do the gold color though, which is guess I could show y'all this one right here. And I'm gonna just, I like to like dab it on, cause sometimes it just be too much. Okay. Put a little on my nose and the bridge and a little up here so you can get into it. And then I go back with my sponge and I like just dab, make sure it's not, you know, too much on my cheek. I don't like too much on my cheek, but boom, that's it. That's all. This is the look, a smoky brown. Of course, you know, do your put on your lashes or your liner, but this is it, little smoky brown eye. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and the talk. Please like, comment, and subscribe, okay, honey? Because I need to get to 1,000 subscribers, or maybe that's aiming too high right now. No, it's not. The sky's the limit. But I would like to get to 1,000. But if I can at least get to 500, like, that would be a dream. So please comment, like, definitely comment, like, subscribe, share, you know, with other people. If you know anyone that loves makeup or do makeup, you know, it's charity's charm. I mean, I'm charming. Why wouldn't you? Not this way. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I love y'all, and always be good to yourself because nobody else will. Peace.